Hey guys, wanted to point you in the right direction of this 2016 Hyundai Elantra. It's got a 1.8 liter engine in it, automatic transmission. This is a one owner vehicle, only 42,000 miles. Inside is super clean. It's got your cloth. It does have an auxiliary port and a USB port right there in the console. All the seats are in super good shape. Back seats are in great condition. Great basic transportation. Very nice, clean, low maintenance. You can view our website at Autohouse.US, or you can give me a call at 678-384-1862. You can actually go to our website and do your credit application. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.